Today I'm going to show you how to make a raptor post out of some basic material from a hardware store and put it out here in the vineyard to help the raptors go after the voles and gophers that seem to be a pest here in the vineyard. So let me show you the parts I'm going to use. I have found that using these top posts that are usually used on a chain link fence are a good source to make the pole for the vineyard. They come in 10-foot sections, so they're indented at the top so you can stick one on top of the other. So I'm going to plant it or dig a hole for about 2 to 3 feet into the ground, stick one end in, set the other one on top of it, and that will put it about 17 feet in the air, allowing the hawks and owls to get a good view of the vineyard. The other part that I use is a U-bolt, and the U-bolt is made for these poles. You are able to drill a hole into a branch from like a redwood tree or whatever trees you may have in your area. I have lots of redwood trees here, so no source, a lack of source of lumber to put these together. So I cut the section of a branch into about 3 feet, and then in the center of that I will drill 2 holes to be able to put the U-bolt into it. So that's a pretty simple task. I make the poles about 3 feet long, put the U-bolt in the middle, and then attach it to the pole. Okay, drill the holes and then put the U-bolt through there. You may have to use a hammer to pound it through to get it through, but eventually the bolts will work through, and then you can put the back plate on the other side, put the pole through there, and tighten it down. Okay, now I'm out here in the vineyard. I've picked a location where I want to place it. So I'm up on sort of the upside of this one block, and it goes over. I got forest all around, but it will help to have the raptors sitting right here in the vineyard instead of out on the edge in the trees. As you can see, I've already placed one a few years ago over behind my shoulder. That seems to work on that side, so I'm just placing another one to try to even out and catch some voles here on this other side that I've recently seen. So I'm placing it here at the end of a row, and I've got my post hole digger and a shovel, and I'll dig about a 3-foot hole to place it in and set it up. So be back in a second. All right, I've dug the hole. It's about 2.5 feet deep. That should be sufficient. Got the dirt here, and I'll assemble the 2 pieces and place in the hole. All right, so here is the top assembly, and it's got the U-bolt holding on the branch, and I'll take it apart or put it together with the other part, and then stick it into the hole. All right, so the dirt's back into the hole, and the post is upright and ready for any raptors or hawks and owls that could come by, and I'll get a great view of the vineyard. Also, that's my vineyard assistant, Hunter. He's ready to help me go install the next one. All right, here's the second install, about 2.5 feet down, and got the dirt out, got my helper, so ready to install the next one here in the vineyard. Here I'm installing it down in the lower part. So here's the top part, U-bolt branch bolted on to the top. This one I put a little, found a branch, we had a little extra branch sticking out, so see if some of the smaller birds will sit on that. Alright, so I've stuck the two parts together, put one end in the hole, and then we just sort of walk our way up into the hole. So it will fall down into it, and they'll be ready to go. There we go. And I'll just put the dirt back into the hole. So there it is, the second one that I installed today, just over my shoulder. And hopefully here down in the lower part of the vineyard, it will help attract the raptors to protect this section of the vineyard. This is about the 10th raptor post I've installed, 5-acre vineyard, and it looks like I need about 2 every acre to help protect it. So that's hopefully we'll do it for now. We'll see how the vole population continues out this year, and hopefully we've got it all set. All right, hopefully you can build one yourself. All right, bye.